G'day everyone, this is a Jensen 55 that I did some DIY on and sort of made it my version of a Jensen 55 Deluxe. I actually have a 55 Deluxe that I bought from Gil off the Mainwood forum. This is the factory Deluxe 55 and this is my DIY version. I've put a lubricator on here. I've made two exhaust stacks here that feed out from here the same as Jensen did it. What I did different was have these two little condensate trays. So this is coming up to boil now. I'm just going to drop, this is a 240 volt one. This is the only 240 volt one that I have. All the other ones are 110, 120, whatever the US is. I'm not sure off the top of my head. That's a little homemade power box. I can't think of the name off the top of my head, what everyone calls them on the forum, but I got the plans from John and made that. It'll come to me in a little while. So it's coming, juice reducer, that's what it is, in order to come, a juice reducer. So this is up to steam. Give it a little bit. I also made this up. I made the transmission up. There we go, it wants to go. Oh, sorry, that's like that. Twin cylinders. Here's a nice feature of twin cylinders. That a twin cylinder steam engine should be self-starting when it's got enough steam. Just beautiful how these Jensen 55s run, like a well-oiled sewing machine. I turn it down a bit. This one will run very slowly. And there we are, my Jensen 55 that I made into my version of a Jensen 55 Deluxe model. Hope you enjoyed the vid. Bye for now.